secret about me, which is I got my ears double pierced. I know, right? Look, there's a picture of it right there. It's pretty close, my face and my ear. I did a vlog on that and it was really funny, so enjoy this little sneak peek of it. Today, I was in the mood to cut things open. So that is exactly what I'm about to do. So without any further ado, make sure to subscribe and be a student and let's do it. I mean, I feel like I should start with the JoJo merch. Like, why not? This is the 5-pack of Jumbo lip balm set. Whoa, wait, I thought this was gonna be colored. It's literally white, like what? I get you, it doesn't smell good at least? Oh, wow, that is amazing. I'm gonna go get that. The next thing that I thought it would be fun are these chalky things. They're chalk blast balls. I don't know what they are. I found them at the store and I was like, oh, I wanna get these. Whoa, whoa, chalk's going everywhere. I was originally gonna get these so I could do a JoJo and Miranda video with them, but now I'm using one of them to cut it open. Whoa! Look it! I am actually like obsessed with this thing right now. Time to cut it open. Oh, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. It's literally just chalk inside of here. It did get green chalk everywhere. Oh, it stinks.
Fearless, unstoppable, courageous, invincible.
Oh, chalk, chalk everywhere, chalk everywhere. Okay, next thing is I bought a whole bunch of squishies at the store, and so I thought it'd be fun to cut open squishies. I've never done this before. It's so cool. It's so satisfying. I kind of love this. The next thing is this bouncy little football thingy. I don't know, I thought it'd be cool. It's like squishy, it's a football. I don't know. We're just gonna cut it open. Okay, here we go. One thumb up. Alright, so this thing now, this is one of Bobo's toys. Listen. My dog is off camera going, but this is one of Bobo's toys. I thought it would be fun because there's a squeaker in it. Obviously, she doesn't use this toy anymore, otherwise I would not be cutting it open. But I'm excited to find out what's in here. Let's do it. This is weird. It's just like stuffing. This is literally it? My mind is blown right now. I can't believe that this little thing is all that makes that noise. That's really cool. The next thing is this little water ball. Oh, it bounces. All right, let's find out what's inside of here. Whoa. Oh, whoa. What is this? What? I'm so confused. It's not really cutting the best, but we're going for it. Maybe we just try to cut a side of it. Oh, I think I'm getting it. It's like this rubber ball thingy inside of here. This is what it is. I wanted something to like ooze out of it. All right, so this is a jawbreaker, and I'm planning on leaving it in a trap because then if it goes everywhere, it's like an easy cleanup. You know what? We're gonna go outside and do this on the cement. I just did a jawbreaker, and that is the coolest thing ever. My mind, I am just so shook right now, like shook. All right, now last but definitely not least is our fancy little apple pie. Oh! What is that? You guys, there was actual blueberries and strawberries in that. Tastes good though. Alright, that's all that I have for you for right now, but that's not all that I have for you. Because this is the JoJo's juice. So it's time to go pour some juice on my head. Oh yeah, some juice on my head. Woo! Let's do it. My oh my, it has been such a long time since I've actually poured a juice on my head. I am very excited for this. Today I have cooked up something nasty, but also delicious. We got some strawberry banana V8 fusion, and I'm 99% sure it's expired. Dad, you want to pour juice on your head?
Yeah.
I'll give you a pop tag. Come on. You
Really?
pour it on me. Yes.
Okay.
You think I would joke about that?
No, you go over there. You go over there. Oh, hey, why are they going?
No!
Come on, I was waiting for you.
No! I think I want to the pond here. No!
Oh my God, it's cold.
Good job, Dad. Good job.
Who's that? It's not Dad.
It's Tommy Tuna.
It's Tom Siwa.
Okay.